What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you're new on my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And today we are going to talk about the Sony PlayStation 4 error. The error is that how to fix the PS4 CE-34054-6 database corrupted. So I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we go to the screen, go to the settings, and you just check the system software update. Sometimes the system software is not updated, that's why you get this error. The database, you simply turn off your PlayStation 4, go to the safe mode, and here we go to the safe mode. After turning off the PlayStation 4, you press the PS button, power button, and here we have the save button, safe mode, and here we are the save mode, and you just connect your DualShock with the USB cable, and then your DualShock will do work, and go to the rebuild database. And rebuild database, here you just rebuild the database. The rebuilding database, it takes just 60 seconds or less than 1 minute. So after rebuilding database, you get back to your PlayStation 4 menu and it will be fixed. So simply that's how you can fix this error. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box.